Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a candle, emergency candle like this. So this one is made out of a jar. I don't throw away my jars. This was a salsa jar probably or something. But I don't throw them away, and it's just for this reason. When I was at work last week, the power went out. And so the kids freaked out and they had their little lanterns. But then I thought of this idea. I'm sure I'm not the first. But I like it because usually if you just have it in a candle holder, it can tip over. This is a lot harder to tip, and it contains all the wax that should drip. So I went down in the thrift store, the Goodwill, whatever you want to call it, and I got some of these candles for cheap. Beck up there, a little camera guy. There. And today I'm just using a jar because I couldn't find a jar. But basically what I do is, can you see the wick there? So you'll light the wick there on the bottom and just let it burn. Burning, 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 burning. Okay. And when it's to the next point, I'll show you what to do next. So if you want to help it along, you getting this in the shot there, lady? Just get it up there. Basically, you just want to get the bottom all melty. All right? So then once that's melted, a little shaky, you bring it up like that, and you let it cool off, and it should stick. Now, sometimes there's a little trouble and it doesn't stick. So this one kind of sticks, but not that well. So excuse me, no one freak out here. But I just heated up the bottom of the glass. You getting this in frame? Heat up the bottom of the glass. That's going to melt the wax. And then it's going to stick. But be sure, oh boy, here we go. Don't put it back on the counter when the glass is cold. Okay, there you go. So that's how you can turn your candle in a jar into a safer candle in a jar. Now, of course, this wick, let me reach over here. Let's see. So I don't want to mess around with it while it's still drying, but that wick, that's way too long. What's wrong with that is it's going to smoke and put off a lot of soot, and it'll make your candle burn too fast. So anyway, I hope I taught you something today. Thanks for watching.